In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use an AI extension in Google Sheets with Claude. To get started, open Google Chrome and go to Google Sheets. From there, open the spreadsheet where you want to work or create a new one if you're starting fresh. Once your sheet is open, look at the top menu and click Extensions. Then go to Add-ons and select Get Add-ons. This will open the Google Workspace Marketplace, which is where you can browse and install tools that connect directly to Google Sheets. In the Marketplace search bar, type the name of an AI extension you want to use, such as Claude for Sheets. When you find the correct result, click on it and then choose Install. Depending on your Google account settings, you may be asked to review permissions and confirm access before the installation finishes. Just read through the prompts carefully and continue until the add-on is successfully added to your Google Sheets account. After the extension is installed, return to your spreadsheet and go back to the extensions menu. Open the extensions settings area. This is the place where you connect the add-on to your AI account so it can start working inside your sheet. You'll see a field for your Anthropic API key. Paste your API key into that field and save the setting if needed. Make sure you keep your API key private and only enter it in the official settings panel for the extension you installed. Once that setup is complete, you're ready to start generating AI responses directly in your spreadsheet. Click into any cell where you want the output to appear and type a formula in this format, equals Claude, followed by your prompt in quotation marks, then a comma, and then a cell reference such as A1 inside parentheses. For example, you might use a prompt that asks Claude to summarize, rewrite, classify, or analyze the content from a specific cell. This formula tells the extension to send your prompt along with the contents of the reference cell to Claude and then return the result right inside the spreadsheet. That makes it especially useful for tasks like cleaning up text, generating descriptions, extracting key points, or applying the same prompt across many rows of data. If the formula doesn't work right away, give the sheet a moment to process and double check that the extension is installed correctly and that your API key has been saved in the settings. Once everything is connected, you can use Google Sheets as a powerful AI workspace and automate text-based tasks much more efficiently.